I'm back with sardine. Right, we're going to show you how to do a trace, but crimping. I've got different wire here. It doesn't fray, it's coated, it's AFW, it's good wire. Anyway, we'll get to start off. Aye, what you need? Wire, obviously. A length of wire, about 20 inches. Gives you about an 18-inch trace. After you crimp and stuff. 2 hooks, 2 treble hooks, size 4s. Not even sure who made them. A swivel, and a couple of crimping sleeves. Start off with your wire. Slide on one of your wee crimp sleeves onto the wire, and then slide on one of your trebles, and then take the wire and go back through, leaving a wee loop, making yourself a wee loop, and a bit of a tag. Just cut the tag off once you're crimped. Crimping pliers and all, need them obviously. So get it tight. Leave a wee bit of lip, so you want it to move a bit, and then just crimp that on. You can leave a tag, or you can put on, tags kind of get in the way and get caught in your fingers and that, so I like to cut them off. You can put crimp sleeves and all that, but you don't need to bother us with that, if I'm being honest. Easy, first hook on, easy. Second hook, it's a bit different. I've showed you this before when I was twisting. Slide it onto your eye. I could tell if I was in the shop with it. Slide it onto your eye. Slide the eye through the line. Slide it in. Give yourself about a 3.5 inch, 4 inch gap, something like that. And then grab your tag end. Grab your hook. Somebody messaging me, go away, I'm busy. Grab your hook and then use your tag end and go underneath one of the treble shanks, hook points, whatever you call it, and then wrap it around the shank of the treble a few times, and then back into your eye. Pull that tight. Stab myself. And then your treble or something like that, the second one. So you want to run about the shank, wrap, back through the eye. Solid, that's not going to move. And then straight back on with another crimp on your swivel end, crimp, swivel, same, just repeating the same thing you done with the first treble, back through your crimp sleeve, leave yourself a wee tag, pull it tight, so it's like something like this, and then crimp it on, and that's it. Easy peasy, man. Stop buying them, go make them. It's all up there. You can use whatever wire yours run it. That's it. Get your 2 trebles on one end, swivel on the other, and then I have got a wee bit of a tag. I'll just snip that. As I said, you can put crimp sleeves and that on them, but it doesn't bother the pike. I catch lots of fish when they're set up like this. So it doesn't matter with a big crimp sleeve in. There you go, easy, simple. Start making it, stop buying them. Imagine you buy a shite anyway. Here we go.